Ready to sweat it up? Join me for this kettlebell and jump rope workout. Hey, it's Coach Becky, and for this workout, you're going to want to grab a kettlebell as well as a jump rope. Now, if you don't have a jump rope, then good news, because we have one for you. So make sure to scroll down to that pinned comment, click that link to get your free jump rope right now. All right, in today's workout, we're gonna be doing 6 moves, 3 with the kettlebell, 3 with the jump rope. We're gonna do each move for 30 seconds. So this is follow along, so you can just follow along right with me. Now, I'm gonna show you just 1 round, but I recommend to get the most out of this workout, to do at least 3 to 4 rounds to really get that heart rate up and work that body. All right, so for these 6 moves, we're gonna start with a kettlebell swing. From there, we're gonna go into high knees with that jump rope. Then we're gonna do a goblet squat with the kettlebell. From there, we're gonna do some little in and outs with the jump rope. And then we're gonna finish off with a lunge. We're gonna pass that weight right under that knee and then do some hip twists. Hey, so you guys can set a timer at home for 30 seconds. There's lots of apps out there you can use, or you can just use the clock or your watch. All right, we're gonna start with a kettlebell swing. All right, you guys ready? We got about 8 seconds before we get going here. All right, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. All right, from there, we're gonna grab that jump rope. We're gonna do some high knees. So make sure you just have some room, get that kettlebell out of the way so you got space to do this. All right, you guys ready? Here we go. All right, you guys, let's grab that kettlebell again. We got some goblet squats here. We're gonna go at a nice quick pace. Here we go. All right, from there, jump rope in and out. So kind of like a jumping jack with this one. All right, let's hit some lunges. So we're gonna get those legs here. We're gonna pass this right under those legs as we lunge. Let's do it. All right, last move, hip twist with that jump rope. So we're taking it corner to corner with those hips. Here we go. All right, so as you can see, some of those moves are difficult. I haven't jump roped in a while, but you know what you do? You just keep going, you just keep trying. The more you practice, the better you'll get at it over time. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to grab your free jump rope. Scroll down to that pinned comment down below, click the link, and grab yours. All right, we'll see you next time.